Hey everyone. So here we'll be seeing a simple question, some simple problem, reverse an array. Although this problem is also a bit easier one, but I want to explain to like beginners how to approach it. See, I know there is an algorithm for this, a simple one, very simple one, but also for me the intuition part, I just want to share the intuition part, the proper intuition, right? So see this. This will be a short video, like, by the way. So you were given an array 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, so you have to reverse it. If you see here I have reversed it 6 5 4 3 2 1. All right, so what I'm saying, see guys, in brute force, like there are many solutions, there are many ways to go for it, but what say, see the initial test case that you were given, and like initial state, see the initial state and see the final state. All right, and let's figure out what is there. So if you will see directly, the zeroth index value, it became sixth. Sorry, the zeroth index value, it is swapped with fifth index value. All right. If you see these indexes, they were like this. 5 4 3 2 1 0. If you see this final state, if I'm drawing is, I'm just getting some observations. So in here in final state, if you see, or initial state, the zeroth index value is swapped with fifth index value, 0 and 5. Then first indexed value, if you see here, you are getting 5 at index number 1. You are getting, earlier you were having 2, right now at index number 1 you are having 5, and 5 was earlier index number 4. So 1 is swapped with 4, 3 is swapped with this 3 value, which is in the index number 2. It is swapped with value at index number 3. All right, so here I have written this observation. Here guys, I have written this. Look, this is a pretty simple solution, but then also I'm trying to show you the intuition behind it, the proper intuition behind it. All right, so see, 0 is swapped with 5, 1 is swapped with 4, 2 is swapped with 3. From here guys, if I'll ask you, write an algorithm to reverse an array, so you will directly get the idea that at one side, see guys, at one side, you one of the variables, it is going linearly, it is going forward, it is increasing. All right, it is increasing linearly, and one variable, it is decreasing linearly. So now, first of all, two variables, so here you will get the hint of two pointer, here you will get the hint of two pointer. All right, and see, from where two pointers will be starting, you can guess. The first one will be like they both will be from extreme ends. So let me say L starts from 0, H starts from 5. So you will swap the values of L and H. Then you will do L plus plus, see L plus plus, L plus plus H at every step, H minus minus, H minus minus at every step. All right. Now see guys, uh, I'll give you every intuition, everything about it. Just be patient. Now see, when, look, L, you see, L is less than H, L is less than H, L is less than H. Till what point you are running this, because you are iterating on this array. Till what point you are iterating? You don't have to think of any other thing. This answer space is giving you your solution. It is saying what? L is less than H. Look, in this answer space, every time your L was less than H, see, L is less than H, L is less than H, L is less than H. So till the point your L is less than H, you will run the loop. Let me write the proper solution for this. While L less than H, what you will do, see guys, what you will do, you have to just swap the values. You just have to swap the values. So swap, let us say nums of L comma nums of H. All right, that's it. Now L plus plus, H minus minus. There's even a better way. L plus plus, H minus minus, you can put, you can directly write here, which is plus plus L or minus minus H, which is sorry, if you put right here, then it will like post increment and post decrement. So that will be a bit complicated for the beginners, the absolute beginners, but this will work. This is also true. So here I hope you got the idea, you got the proper intuition that while reverse an array, I was also solving this problem, but not with this proper intuition. Like not by getting this answer space and then search, then seeing that, yeah, two pointer should be a two pointer should be applied, two pointer should be applied, and this limit L less than H, I was also not like, see, you can put L less than equals to H, that will also work. But look guys, as I said, L less than H, I have not said to apply this L less than H. we just got this L less than H hint from this answer space, from this answer space that we saw, that L was always less than H. It never became equal to or greater than H. All right. So this thing, yeah, this thing you have to make sure you understand each and every question like this, whether it is a simpler one or hard one. And on top of this reverse and array problem, we will try to solve this problem, rotate array. This problem, it is pretty good. If you go on lead code, it is one of the hard problems. Okay, the tag is medium, but it will take your time. Great, then let's meet in another video, guys, then.